So let us start with the remaining question of exercise 6.3. Question number 4. Find R. Question number 4. Find R if 4 into 6PR. 4 into 6PR is equal to 6PR plus 1. We have to find the value of R. So let us use the formula 6 factorial upon 6 minus R factorial. And this is equal to 6 factorial upon n minus r. N minus r means 6 minus r minus 1 factorial, like this. So we on solving it cancel 6 factorial with 6 factorial. So over here we get 6 minus r, then 6 minus r minus 1 factorial equal to 1 upon 6 minus r minus 1 factorial. Now cancelling these two, we get 4 upon 6 minus r equal to 1, 4 equal to 6 minus r, so r equal to 6 minus 4. So students, r is equal to 2. So very simple question students, r equal to 2. Then we have second part is 10pr. 10pr is equal to 2 times of 9pr. 10pr equals to 2 times of 9pr. So this is 10 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial, 2 into 9 factorial upon 9 minus r factorial. So on solving it, 10 into 9 factorial. Now 10 minus r is larger than 9 minus r. So we can solve 10 minus r factorial. 10 minus r into 9 minus r factorial equals to 2 into 9 factorial upon 9 minus r factorial. Cancelling 9 minus r with 9 minus r, cancelling 9 with 9, we get 10 upon 10 minus r equal to 2, or 10 equal to 20 minus 2r, 2r equal to 10, so r equal to 5. So students, this is the answer, r equal to 5. Now the third part is r equal to 5. Now third part is 11pr is equal to 12pr minus 1. Now we want to find the value of r. 11 factorial upon 11 minus r factorial, and this is equal to 12 factorial, 12 minus r plus 1 factorial. 11 factorial, 11 minus r factorial, 12 into 11 factorial, and 13 minus r factorial. Cancel these two. Now 11 minus r factorial equal to 12. Now solving 13 minus r factorial, 13 minus r, 12 minus r into 11 minus r factorial. Now cancelling 11 minus r with 11 minus r, so we get 13 minus r into 12 minus r equal to 12. Now students, there are two methods to solve it. So 13 minus r, either we can multiply the brackets or we can write 12 as a product of two numbers. So 13 minus r into 12 minus r is equals to 4 into 3, like this, 4 into 3. Now these are numbers in decreasing order and these numbers are also in decreasing order. So we can compare either 13 minus r with 4, 13 minus r equal to 4, or 12 minus r equal to 3. Now from here r equal to 9, or if we solve this, then also we get r equal to 9. Right, students? So the answer is r equal to 9. Or if we want, we can multiply the brackets and make a quadratic and then make factors, then also we get the value of r. So there are two ways. So this is the easiest method. uh, Writing 12 as product of two numbers which are consecutive and in decreasing order, right? Because these numbers are also in decreasing order, so write them also in decreasing order. Now compare 13 minus r with 4 and 12 minus r with 3. We get the value of r. Now number fourth part. 5 times of 4pr is equal to 6 times of 5pr minus 1. Now let us solve this. 5 into 4pr is equal to 6 times of 5pr minus 1. So 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial. So 6 into 5 factorial, 5 minus r plus 1, because here we have n minus r. So we write 5 minus r plus 1 factorial. So here we get 5 into 4 factorial, 4 minus r factorial, 6, write 5 as 5 into 4 factorial, and here we write 6 minus r factorial. So cancel 4 with 4, cancel 5 with 5. So 1 upon 4 minus r factorial is equal to 6 upon 6 minus r, 5 minus r, and then 4 minus r factorial. Now cancel these two, so we get 1 equals to 6 upon 6 minus r and 5 minus r, like this. Now, so we get 6 minus r, 5 minus r equal to 6. Now again, write 6 as a product of two numbers, like 3 into 2. Again, writing 6 as product of two numbers which are consecutive numbers and write them in decreasing order. Now compare 6 minus 3, 6 minus r with 3 and 5 minus r with 2. So students, we get 6 minus r equal to 3, or 5 minus r equal to 2. So from here we get r equal to 3, or here also r equal to 3. So students, the value of r is 3. So this is the fourth part. Now the fifth part. Fifth part is 10pr equal to 720. Now let us solve this. 10pr equal to 720. So we write 10 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial equal to 720. Now let us do this question. Now students, write 10 factorial as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial equals to 720. So we get 10 into 9, 90, into 8, 720. So 720 into 7 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial equal to 720. So cancelling 720 with 720, or we can write like this: 720 into 7 factorial. This is equal to 720 into 10 minus r factorial. So cancel these two. So what we get? 7 factorial is equal to 10 minus r factorial, or it implies 10 minus r equal to 7, or we get r equal to 3. So this is the answer of fifth part. Now let us do the fifth question, students. Fifth question. Fifth question is 9p5 plus 5 times of 9p4 equals to 10pr. So find the value of r. Now let us solve it. So 9p5, this is equal to 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5 is 4 factorial. 5, 9 factorial, 9 minus 4 is 5 factorial, and this is equal to 10 upon 10 minus r factorial. Now 9 factorial, 4 factorial plus 5, 9 factorial, 5 into 4 factorial equals to 10 upon 10 minus r factorial. Now students, let us solve it. Now taking common, 9 factorial upon 4 factorial is common, and cancelling 5 with 5. So we are getting let us take common. We get 1 plus 1 equal to 10 times of 10 minus r factorial. So we get 2 times of 9 factorial, and what is 4 factorial? 4 factorial is 24 equal to 10 upon 10 minus r factorial, or 9 factorial is equal to 10 into 24 upon 2 into 10 minus r factorial. Now students, make it correct. Here we have 10 factorial, and here also 10 factorial, here also 10 factorial, 10 factorial. Now let us do this. Now 2 into 9 factorial upon 24. Now write 10 factorial as 10 into 9 factorial upon 10 minus r factorial, like this. Now cancelling 9 factorial with 9 factorial. Now we get 2 upon 24 equals to 10 upon 10 minus r factorial. So it implies 10 minus r factorial. This is equal to 24 into 10 upon 2. So students, 10 minus r factorial is equal to 120, and 120 is equal to 5 factorial. 120 is equal to 5 factorial. Now comparing, it implies 10 minus r equal to 5. So therefore r equal to 5. So students, this is the answer, r equal to 5. Now let us start with sixth question. 10 pr plus 1 upon 11 pr equals to 30 by 11. 10 factorial. Now n, we write 10 minus r minus 1 factorial upon 11 factorial, 11 minus r factorial, 30 by 11. Now 10 factorial, 9 minus r factorial, 11 minus r factorial upon 11 factorial equal to 30 by 11. Now 10 factorial as it is. Now writing 11 minus r factorial as 11 minus r, 10 minus r, 9 minus r factorial, 9 minus r factorial, and 11 into 10 factorial equal to 30 by 11. Right? Now cancel 9 minus r with 9 minus r, 10 factorial with 10 factorial, and cancelling 11 with 11. So we are left with 11 minus r, 10 minus r equal to 30. So 11 minus r into 10 minus r equal to 6 into 5. So 11 minus r equal to 6, 10 minus r equal to 5. So r equal to 5. So r equal to 5. So students, this is the answer, r equal to 5. Now let us do 7th question. 56p r plus 6 and 54p r plus 3. So we can write 56 factorial, then 56 minus r minus 6 factorial upon 54 factorial upon 54 minus r minus 3 factorial. This is equal to 30800. So we get 56 factorial, 50 minus r factorial, and we write this number in the numerator, 51 minus r factorial upon 54 factorial equals to 30800. Right, students? Now uh, write 56 as 56 into 55 into 54 factorial, 50 minus r factorial, 51 minus r, and 50 minus r factorial upon 54 factorial equals to 30800. Now cancelling these two and cancelling these two, so we get 56, or we can write like this, that 51 minus r is equal to 30800 upon 56 into 55. Now let us do make it simplifying, make it simple. 30800 divide by 56 and divide by 55, we get 10. So we get 10. So 51 minus r equal to 10 and r equal to 41. So this is the answer. So r equal to 41, students. Now let us do the next question. Question is, find n if 2n minus 1 pn upon 2n plus 1 pn minus 1 equals to 22 by 7. Then find the value of n. Now students, use the formula first. This is equal to 2n minus 1 factorial upon 2n minus 1 minus n factorial upon 2n plus 1 factorial upon 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1 factorial. This is equal to 22 by 7. So we get 2n minus 1 factorial, and here we write n minus 1 factorial. And when we solve this, we get n plus 2n minus n is n, 1 plus 1 is 2, so we get 2 n plus 2 factorial, and here we write 2n plus 1 factorial equal to 22 by 7. Now let us solve it. Now writing 2n minus 1 factorial as it is, now we will solve n plus 2 factorial, n plus 2, n plus 1, then n, and then n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 factorial as it is. Now solving 2n plus 1 factorial, 2n plus 1, then 2n, 2n minus 1 factorial. Now cancelling n minus 1 with n minus 1, 2n minus 1 with 2n minus 1, then n with n. So we get n plus 2 into n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 into 2 equal to 22 by 7. So we get n square plus 3n plus 2, 7 into 44 times of 2n plus 1. 7n square plus 21n plus 14 plus 44 minus 67n minus 30 equal to 0. Now making factors, minus 70n plus 3n minus 30 equal to 0, taking common 7n, n minus 10 plus 3, n minus 10 equal to 0. So we get n minus 10, 7n plus 3 equal to 0. So we get n equal to 10 or n equal to minus 3 by 7. So rejecting this value of n, so we take n equal to 10. Now students, I hope this is clear to you. स्टूडेंट्स हमने यहाँ पर n प्लस 2 को ओपन किया है बिकॉज n माइनस 1 में और n प्लस 2 में n प्लस 2 इज लार्जर, और 2n माइनस 1 में और 2n प्लस 1 में 2n प्लस 1 इज लार्जर. तो इसलिए हमने 2n प्लस 1 फैक्टोरियल को सॉल्व किया है, और यहाँ पर हमने n प्लस 2 फैक्टोरियल को सॉल्व किया है बिकॉज n प्लस 2 में और n माइनस 1 में n प्लस 2 इज लार्जर. तो हम n प्लस 2 फैक्टोरियल को सॉल्व करते हैं, और 2n माइनस 1 में और 2n प्लस 1 फैक्टोरियल में हम 2n प्लस 1 फैक्टोरियल को सॉल्व करेंगे बिकॉज 2n प्लस 1 is larger. Now students, this exercise is complete. Now in the next video we shall start exercise number 6.4.